Welcome back. Today's video, it's about pre-emergent for weeds and humic Dg. So stand by and we'll get right to it. Welcome back again. Folks, before we start, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, don't forget to share, and remember, I have lots of videos that you can go watch on the lawn. So subscribe, like, and bell, and share. So let's jump into it. As you know, everybody knows that a lot of weeds, these weeds come out in fall, these winter weeds, and it makes your lawn look like crap. But I'm going to put down a pre-emergent BARACADE. It's called BARACADE on DG. You can, it's made by Anderson. You can find it in Amazon. I'm going to put a link down at the bottom so you guys can go ahead and buy it from Amazon. It's not that expensive. I'm also going to do is put down humic Dg, also in Amazon. I'm going to put a link to it down at the bottom. Now, I have to cut my lawn. As you know, I had a little Halloween get together with my family, and it's all flat. I'm going to lift it up a little bit. I didn't cut it the day before, so kind of flatten it down. It was a little high. So today I'm going to go ahead and cut it, and after I cut it, I'm going to lay down the humic Dg and the pre-emergent. I'm going to have a list of what the pre-emergent actually all the crabgrass and all the weeds that it takes care of. So I'm going to put a list there so you can see what it does before you buy it, so that way you know what kind of weeds you have. But last year I put it down on November, toward the end of November. By the time spring came around, because I didn't overseed, because it's not seed friendly, if you're going to seed the grass, don't use it. But if you're not, and your grass is nice and thick, by all means, put it down. It does help. I put it down last year in the fall, and when spring came around, I actually put it down twice. In November in fall, and in spring, right when spring was coming into March, I put it down as well. My grass was beautiful in the spring, no weeds. It says it doesn't take care of dandelions, but I had maybe 1 or 2 dandelions to nothing. Crabgrass, nothing. I didn't even have to give that weed and feed in the spring. It worked perfectly. I'm going to put down the pre-emergent because I love the way it came up at springtime. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it. And stay tuned. Hey everyone, as you can see, I cut the lawn. I'm going to rake it a little bit so it can lift up, because the party that I had flattened it down. So now it looks like it didn't bring it up, the lawnmower. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just rake it and recut it again. As you can see, I also had a problem with the squirrels. I don't know if you remember that. So they had holes everywhere. But I didn't do what I said I was going to do with rake it and reseed it, because I had that party and I didn't want them damaging the fresh seeds. But actually, it's 75 degrees today, and it's beautiful out. I know I got my Snow Dallas hat on, but it's beautiful out here. And it's going to be beautiful for the next week and a half. In the 70s, high 60s. A couple days it's going to be in the mid 70s. I'm not going to seed it because I'm going to put down the pre-emergent down. And I know, and I believe I said that the seeds and the pre-emergent do not go together. It will not allow the seeds to germinate. I'm also going to put down Humic Dg. I usually use the liquid form, humic acid with sea kelp mixed together, but I ran out, and I have the Humic Dg that I bought. I'm going to use that. It's the granular because I don't want any big at this time and the time of the year. I don't want the liquid on the foliage of the grass. I want it down, penetrating down into the ground. So when water hits it, or I don't know if I'm going to turn my sprinkler systems on because we've been having a little bit of rain at least once or twice a week. So I'm going to let Mother Nature take care of that and let it melt it right into the grass. Okay, everyone, I cut it the second time. I raked it, and it came up a little bit, and I just cut it one more time, and it looks great. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and put down the pre-emergent stuff. This is what it actually looks like. It's not really thick or big granular. They're pretty small. Now last time I put it on 2.5 on mine, which is right here. Like I said, they're not that big, and it'll go through. Now, on the Humic Dg, I'm going to go with a 4. Somehow, it says 3.5, but I'm going to go with a 4. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start. Now I put down the pre-emergent, and now I'm going to go ahead and put down the Humic Dg. As you can see, nice grass came up. I never had a problem on this side. I've always had a problem on that side. But we're going to get it. We're definitely going to get it. And it'll be a matter of time before my grass will be nice and green all over again and nice and thick. But it's going to take some time. And it does take some work, people. You got to have a little bit of patience, and it'll come through for you. I'm telling you, if you do step by step and the proper applications, it'll come out beautiful. Now I'm going to go ahead and put down the Humic Dg. Okay, I'm going to put this down a little heavy, because it's like humic acid. You can just put it down. It doesn't harm the grass. It doesn't do anything. It actually makes the soil a lot better, makes the roots a lot stronger. So in this case, I'm going to go up at least 5. It says 3.5, but I'm going to go up 5. I want to put it down. Okay, everyone, this is it. It was a quick video. It was only to put down pre-emergent for the weeds. It was also for humic DG. It's very simple. It's not rocket science. Guys, if you have any questions, don't forget to put down the email me or send me a comment. I will answer. Okay? And don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell. Come on, people, I'm trying to boost up my subscribers. So help me out. And don't forget to comment. Comment, people. I will answer. You have a good day. It's a beautiful day. It is 75 degrees outside. It's a Saturday. Man, and Mike Reyes is out.